All right, my name is MOSJARO once again. If it's your first time of coming across my video or coming to this page, please do well to subscribe and of course do well to share and of course leave a comment on any topic that you want me to trash. Now, this channel is about looking at questions. I'm not just looking at questions, trying to analyze each questions and bringing out the necessary points. Now, today's question is coming from chemistry, not just chemistry, it's coming from what the decomposition of what of salts. Now, quickly, let's jump into it. Let's begin to trash it step by step. So, call your neighbor, call that person that wants to write this year's exam or this year WAEC examination. That MOSJARO is here. Now, look at it now. They said silver trioxonitrate on heating gives dash. Now, this question is coming from trioxonitrate. Now, trioxonitrate salts, of course, they are salts. There is what you must know here. The first point is that all trioxonitrate salts decomposes on what? On heating. We no go rush am, we dey take am small, but you go dey very careful. All trioxonitrate salt, that means if I carry trioxonitrate salt now, I put it in a crucible and I heat it, it will decompose. Now, any salt that decomposes, not just trioxonitrate salt, any salt that decomposes on heating are regarded as what? Are known as labile salts. Now, you must pay attention to that terminology I just used, that all salts that decompose on heating are said to be labile. That means to say the salts are what? Are unstable. So waiting now to heat. So those salts that are unstable to heat, that means they decompose on heating. Now, if you look at the question very well, they are not just asking us if the salt will decompose on heating. They are asking us for the products that will be given. Like if I heat this particular salt now, which product will it give? Now, we are centering on trioxonitrate salt. That means all trioxonitrate salt decompose on it that we say, but the product differs. Now, how we go take check am? I want to give you one small shortcut that you can use to analyze the product of any trioxonitrate if it's decomposed. Now, look at it now. We are going to use the activity series of metal quickly without wasting much time. Now, you know we have potassium, sodium, we have calcium, we have magnesium, we have aluminium, we have zinc, we have tin, we have lead, hydrogen, though hydrogen is not a metal, we have copper, we have mercury, we have silver, and of course we have what? Gold. Now, all these metals here, leaving hydrogen behind because hydrogen is not a metal. All these metals here, they form trioxonitrate. What do we mean? There is potassium trioxonitrate, there is sodium trioxonitrate. Sure, you get them. There is, okay, most keep and come down. There is what? There is silver trioxonitrate. But we want to use this to know the products that will be formed for each trioxonitrate. You are getting the picture. Now, look at what we're trying to say. Now, if you look at these metals now, potassium and sodium, the trioxonitrate of potassium and sodium, if I heat it, the product is, it will form a diozonitrate, small, plus oxygen. What does that mean? Okay, let's take a case study. That means if I heat sodium trioxonitrate now, it will decompose to form diozonitrate of the metal. That means I will now have NaNO2 plus oxygen. Check out. So if I get to heat potassium trioxonitrate, of course, you know the product is going to give me KNO2 and oxygen. So trioxonitrate of this metal, look at the product that it will give. But from calcium, the look at me, down to copper, their trioxonitrate decompose to form oxide of the metal. You dey see am so now, oxide of the metal plus nitrogen 4 oxide, be very careful, plus what? Plus oxygen. What do we mean? Let's take a case study. You can do any one, but I want to take this for instance. For example, let's take calcium now. Calcium trioxonitrate 5. If it decomposes, what will it give to me? It's going to form the oxide of the metal. That means it's going to form calcium oxide, plus NO2 plus oxygen. So if you take any metal from this category now, the product will give me the oxide of the metal. Oh, yeah, we'll check out like this. Abba say, oh, we get waiting now. Cu, there is copper trioxonitrate. Copper trioxonitrate. If it decompose, you already know the answer if you are very smart. Now, what will it give to me? It will give me the oxide of the metal. That means it's going to give me copper 2 oxide plus NO2 plus oxygen. That means any trioxonitrate of these metals is going to form the oxide of the metal. So if you are using lead trioxonitrate, that means I'm going to get lead oxide, NO2, and oxygen. Now, these metals down, mercury, silver, gold, their trioxonitrate decomposes to form the free metal plus nitrogen 4 oxide and what? And oxygen. Now, if you sharp over, you don't already answer the question. The answer on the board. What does it mean? That means since we are dealing with trioxonitrate, silver trioxonitrate, because it says silver trioxonitrate, so you call it silver trioxonitrate. If it decomposes, it's going to form the oxide, it's going to form the free metal. Now these guys here, they form the oxide of the metal. So this one is going to form the free metal. That means I'm going to get silver plus NO2 plus what? Plus oxygen. Sure, you get the point now. So be very, very careful. So our answer is already on the board. So what's our answer there? Our answer is D. So you can easily get to analyze. But there's something I want to bring out here, please, very, very fast. I don't know if we need to look at some, use this space here, this small space we remember. We'll use a data, get and sharp time all day. Now, these are not only the metals that form trioxonitrate. Let me give you an instance. Though the other one is they are not metals. For instance, we have ammonium trioxonitrate. This one not common for exam. If you are writing exam, be very careful. Now, they'll ask you, say, what will be the product if this idiot decomposes on heating? What will be the product? Now, it's very easy. Ammonium trioxonitrate decomposes to form what? Nitrogen 1 oxide and water. Oh yeah, calm down. You can't give me N2O. You know, say this one I be nitrogen 1 oxide, which is called Latin, which is Latin gas, which is used as what? As an anesthetic, plus H2O. Show you the get them now. So this one will bring out oxygen, nitrogen 1 oxide, and what? And water. Now, if you check it very, very well, you know that this equation is not balanced. So I put my 2 here. So if you check them now, you go know say nitrogen is 2, nitrogen is 2, hydrogen is 4, 2 times 2, 4, oxygen is 3. This is 1 oxygen. This 2 is affecting both hydrogen and oxygen. So now, not wasting time. I don't like wasting time at all. Now, there is another thing I want to bring to your knowledge here. That if it is, this one has been asked, ammonium trioxonitrate, but if it was ammonium diazonitrate, it will give me what? Nitrogen gas plus H2O. You see how this one are ammonium diazonitrate. It will form nitrogen gas. Now, this is one method of producing nitrogen gas in the laboratory, but there's a small comma. Now, yeah, I started singing that song, say steady increasing the comma. There's a small comma in this guy. This guy, if you go to the lab now, you can't see for container ammonium diazonitrate. You can't carry them because say MOSJARO tell you, you carry them, you put them for crucible or any test tube, and you begin to heat. I'm very sorry, I have to say bye bye. It's very explosive. The reaction is explosive. No, this ammonium diazonitrate decomposes with a lot of heat. How do we now do it? You will go to the lab and prepare it freshly. So this ammonium diazonitrate should be freshly prepared. You go prepare your own, not the one way they don't prepare keep, because the reaction is very explosive. How you go to prepare your own? Now it is easy. You go collect ammonium chloride. Open your eye, you know they see, they look which they like for you, the board small, plus NaNO2. You see, if you react together, I will come get NH4, NO2 plus NaCl. I don't already produce my NH4, NO2. That is this guy. I'll come heat it directly now. So this one should not be directly heated, but it must be prepared freshly because the reaction is what? Explosive. Now, I've used one stone to kill many birds, or use many birds to kill one stone. Anyone, something was killed. Now, you have known the answer. You have known why the answer is like that. Now you have seen it. That's what this channel is all about. You have seen that you can be able to solve other questions. So please and please, like I said just now, if you know anybody that is writing JAMB examination, of course, trying to refer the person to my page will help the person. It's a good gift to give to your friend. Now, if you are the one preparing for the exam, of course, make sure you are always tuned in. The videos are very, very, very short. No time wasting. And so, of course, you are going to get the point. My name is MOSJARO once again. I'll see you in other videos.